If you're over 40 and you've been thinking about starting an online business based on your work and life experience from zero, I want you to hear this. You are not too late. You have something most younger creators don't have, and that is your experience. Whatever it is, you've spent decades learning things, making things, fixing things, making mistakes, building a career, raising a family, starting businesses, changing directions, figuring things out. Somebody out there is desperate to hear your story. You don't have to become an influencer. You don't have to chase every trend. You don't have to pretend to be somebody you're not, because authenticity always wins. I'm interested in what happens when people take everything they have learned and use it to build something meaningful in the second half of their lives. On this channel, I talk about building personal businesses, your personal brand, entrepreneurship, using AI, and the realities of starting or starting over after 40. This isn't for people looking for overnight subscriber spikes, daily posting hacks, or young creator playbooks. I don't care about that. If that's what you want, no hard feelings. There are better channels for it. If you've got something to say, something to share, something left to build, or maybe you're just wondering what's next, you are in the right place. Subscribe, grab the free resources in the description and the comments, and become part of the community.